Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to prove these two statements. Now we start with A. So we let A, B and C be integers and prove that if A divide B, then A divide B, C. Okay, let's prove this. We start from A. Okay, what do we have right here? So we have to let A, B, and C be integer and assume that A divide B. So what does it mean by this? I mean A divide B. So there exists, let's say Q, which is an integer, such that B equal AQ. Okay? But I want to have A divide B C. Then what do we have right here? So let's write BC. BC becomes AQ times C. Okay? But I want to have A divide BC. So we have to factorize A from this. So we gotta have A times QC. Okay? A times QC. But what is QC? Okay? QC is an integer, right? Okay, we might write A times M, okay? Where M is QC. As you can see, BC equals A times M, and M is an integer, and M, which is QC, okay? QC is an integer. Now we have BC equals A times an integer. That means that A divide BC, okay? So A divide BC. So that's what we have. This is the proof of A. Now let's go to statement B. Prove that if A divide B and A divide C, then A squared divide BC. Okay, let's start to do this. So we let A, B, C be integers. And we assume that A divide B and A divide C. Okay? Then what do we have? So we gotta have Q1 and Q2, which are integers, such that B equal to AQ1, and we have A divide C. That means that we gotta have C equal to AQ2. Okay, so let's write BC. We want to show that A squared divide BC. So what happened to BC right now? BC becomes AQ1 times AQ2. Then we gotta have A squared times Q1 Q2. Alright? Then if we have Q1 Q2, what do we have? So Q1 Q2 are both integers. That means that the product of two integers must be an integer, right? So we gotta have A squared times, let me use K, okay? Where K equal Q1 Q2, okay? And the product of Q1 Q2 is an integer. So we have BC equal A squared K, where K is an integer. That means that we can divide BC by A squared. Okay? So we're gonna have A squared divide BC. Alright? So these are the proof of statement A and B. And that's it for this video.